session, and okay, it's recording now. Okay, so I'll start. Okay, guys, welcome to the Havenspire Pro Mentorship Program. So, Havenspire is India's largest trading community, and it's the largest growing trading community. So, it basically offers you trading knowledge, and it gives you trading a very good trading community, which essentially helps you, lower your learning curve. Trading is a very tough and a very competitive field. So, to excel in trading, you need a balance of a lot of things. So Havenspire helps you in that, and I'm a Havenspire mentor. So I'll give you a brief introduction about me. So I am Parang, and my Instagram page is called PM Trade. So I've been a trader since the past 5 years, and I've been trading the Indian equity markets in the past 5 years, and I've been trading the US equity and derivatives markets in the past 2 years. So my trading journey and my learning curve has been very, very big in the sense that I have now things are very easy in the sense that you get a lot of support, and trading is a particular profession where you will need someone who has done it to actually help you out, because theory and practical work very different in trading. Like, you can learn something in mathematics, you can understand something and you can just apply it. There is a black and white, 2 plus 2 is always 4. In trading, 2 plus 2 is not always 4. When it is 4, you make money. Sometimes it is 3, sometimes it is 5. So basically it is an art and it's basically a mix of art and science. So I will help you to I'll help you with my experience of what my experience with trading has been, and I will tell you my trading style. So basically there are two types of traders. One type of trader is one who try to scalp. By scalp I mean they try to take very small price differences with a decent quantity to profit from it. I am someone who likes to ease off the quantity, but I like to capture bigger moves. So basically I am a holding trader or an intraday swing trader than a scalper. So everyone has a different view, and everyone has a different style. Even you guys will realize your style later on as we progress through the program. So I would just like to say that just try to be very open to whatever approach that you might need to follow. I'll tell you the difference between a scalper and a intraday position swing trader later on, but I'm just trying to tell you that I am this kind of a trader. And I have done my CFA, that is a Chartered Financial Analyst. I have cleared 2 levels, and I will give my 3rd level later. I am a BBA and an MBA in Finance and Strategy. So that's my educational background. I also work for a prop trading firm which trades the US and European markets. So, and I'm a Havenspire mentor since the past 2 months. And so this is my introduction. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan, and I am 23 years old. So this is a brief introduction about me, and now straight up I will move to the program. So welcome to my mentorship program. So basically there'll be 5 things that you will get in the mentorship program. Number 1, I'll be a personal mentor throughout your trading journey, in the sense that you will be making mistakes, you will learn, and you need a personal mentor, personal guide to fix your problems, to know and to understand you better, to understand your psychology better, to understand how you are as a person. Because in trading, it will always affect the type of or the kind of person you are in real life. In trading, it will have a huge impact. Okay, so I am your personal mentor, so you can ask me anything and everything that is related to trading, maybe outside of trading, any personal thing also. If you want to discuss with me, I'll always be there, because it will eventually affect your trading. So I need to know each and everything. It's up to you how much do you want to share with me, but I am just saying that I'm always there. So in case of any problems, any issues, please feel free to come to me anytime. Okay, so apart from that, you will be having bi-weekly sessions. So every week you'll have 2 educational sessions like these on Zoom, and apart from that, there'll always be a half an hour after our session. Basically, that after our session is nothing but a discussion about how the day went for all of us, and we'll just discuss the trades that we took, or the trades that we could have potentially taken, and any other important thing that has happened in the market for that particular day. Okay. Other is trade review. So trade reviews, whatever trades, if for example you take your own individual trades, we'll review them in the sense that we'll review how did you trade, what all did you do, what were your criteria, what were you taught, did you actually apply that particular thing well, Is there any structural or basically fundamental problem in understanding that you're facing? That. Next is daily watch list. So you'll be provided with a daily watch list for the next day and the upcoming week, so that you already have some stocks to watch. So basically, it's kind of your homework already done. So I prepare my watch list daily. Watch list is for those who don't know what the watch list is. A watch list is a set of stocks that we are looking forward to trade for the next day or potentially the next week, due to any technical or a fundamental catalyst. Okay. And the final thing is the Discord server. So all of you have been assigned your roles in your Discord server. So Discord server is basically the place where we all will interact, and the place where all of you will join the voice chat. So where we'll all be connected through a voice chat in the live market, and where I'll be assisting you. So I'll give you a walkthrough to the Discord server as well. Before that, for those who have not seen this, I am just telling you for your reference that what all you will get in the mentorship. So just give me a second and I will show it to you. Okay. So in the Discord server, you'll get all of these. So basically, you'll get your watch list. So you'll get live market signals. So signals, basically how they work is they're not your tips to enter or exit something. It's basically trade ideas that I will share. So whatever I'll teach, whatever I'll let you guys know, whatever educational content I'll provide, I'll give you the same things if they are presenting in the market. In the live market, if they're presenting, those are your signals. Like basically, those are the points where you need to focus. So there will be trades where I'll tell you to go long, to go short, and I'll give you ideas about that. The execution is all on you, in the sense that you can follow whatever I say, you can not follow whatever I say, but you can, it's better if you just observe it for a few days and then take your own decisions, because in trading, everything is based on probabilities. So whatever signals or whatever trade ideas that I'm going to be sharing with you, not everything will work, and not everything will actually work out the way it is taught to you. So basically, in theory and in practice, things are very different. Stock market is a random phenomena. Okay, it's just demand and supply moving prices up and down. But in this randomness, we can find some certainty, and that certainty is with a particular level of confidence, right? 60%, 70%, 75%. You'll understand the probabilities of different kind of trade setups later. A trade setup is nothing but basically a set of parameters that we set to basically take a trade, and if those parameters are fulfilled, we take that trade based on the probability of something happening or not. So risk is something that is always involved in speculation. Stock market or day trading is pure speculation. Speculation doesn't mean we are gambling. We are taking calculated risks, and we'll take calculated chances. Okay. So whoever plays poker or whoever has played any other game where probabilities is involved, it's basically that you just need to act when you see something which is statistically favorable in your if something is statistically favorable, you basically take action. The outcome is not in your control. The only thing is your entries and your exits. Okay. So you'll get a pre-market voice channel, live market, and after hours voice channel. So pre-market voice channel, basically every day at 9 a.m. I'll come to the pre-market voice channel. I'll tell you what economic data, if it is going to be out, what brokerages are saying, what stocks could be in focus. Is there any news for a particular stock or a particular industry? What is Nifty, Bank Nifty, the major indices going to do? So basically, it's just a warm-up session to get you ready for the whole day. Live market session is where I'll come, and the other members of my mentorship will be there. So you will be basically trading live with 30-40 people, and everyone will have their own setups. So you can basically interact with each other and take trading setups, or you can take trades, consulting each other, or if you're stuck somewhere or if you're having any difficulties, you can ask each other. I'll always be there on the VC, but there are some times where I have to go to the mentors VC. There is something called a mentors VC where I have to go, but there are very few times where I go. If I am out and if I'm not in the VC, you can chat on the signals page and alert me. I can come and help you out. Then there is after hours voice channel. As discussed, after hours voice channel is nothing but where you actually will be discussing what happened during the day. and it's just a review session for only 15 minutes, and you just need to connect to your microphone, and you can hear and you can interact. And then there'll be daily PNL updates of all the members. Okay. Next comes this training. So basically what you'll learn is advanced charting, tape reading, trading setups, trading systems, chart patterns, different kinds of trades that you can possibly take. So it's basically more advanced technical analysis that you will learn. Moving on to the other perks, which will be, so basically you will be learning how to journal your trades. Journaling is very important. It's basically kind of knowing yourself better. Your trading psychology will be worked on. You will be given a checklist before taking a trade, or when you are in a trade, how to manage the trade. Risk management will be one of your key strengths. That is something that I focus on very, I emphasize on it a lot, because I think risk management is something that every trader should have in his arsenal. I mean, it's a very good weapon to have, because risk management will always save you in this market where everything is very random. Okay. Then you will be having your trading goals set after you have learned your stuff. And then there is also a portfolio building thing where we also take swing trades. So for example, if any of you don't find time daily to trade intraday, basically we also swing trade. Swing trades are nothing but the trades that we hold for 5 or 6 days. So basically you can buy a stock and hold it for 4 or 5 days, depending on a technical or a fundamental catalyst. We do that. And then we have a performance review where each and every one of your performance I will have that data, and I will discuss with you that what went wrong, what went right, how did you perform, and what's your percentage returns week on week. And then we'll build on from that. Okay. Next thing is, right now, you guys, so basically you will be called the September cohort. The people in August cohort have already done the first month. You guys are doing your first month. So you guys will only be trading cash right now. No futures and options as of now. You will trade futures and options in your second month, or maybe by the end of your 3 weeks, because you'll get a FNO session at that point of time. So right now you are not focusing on this. NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, and Forex is something that will come for the third month if you guys stay, because these are more advanced markets. You need a lot more capital, you need a lot of confidence, and you need a lot of other tools to understand these markets. So basically you'll be learning and you'll be trading in all these markets. MCX is something that you'll start maybe from the second week of this mentorship program. In MCX, we basically trade crude oil, natural gas, gold, silver. These are the 4 asset classes that we trade, 4 asset types that we trade. And you'll get a session, and once you get confident, then you will be doing your trades. So apart from the Indian, basically the regular market timings from 9:15 to 3 o'clock, we basically try to trade and get done for the day by 11:30 or 12 p.m. So basically the first 2.5, 3 hours are the most crucial ones. So we try to wrap up our trades over there. And there's a fixed trading plan that you will get according to your capital, and it is recommended for you to follow. It is not compulsory, but it is recommended for you to follow the risk management, the position sizing, every rule that is provided to you. It is recommended that you follow that for best performance. Okay, so these are the things that you will know. So it's just it was just a walkthrough to the things that you will get in the mentorship program. So now I'll come to the session schedules, just to let you know what is going to happen for the whole month. So basically these sessions are scheduled for the 3-month period. So basically the mentorship program is not a 1-month program. You can do it for 1 month only, and you can learn, say, X stuff. If you want to go more advanced, you have to, you can extend it for 2 or 3 months. That is when you will be properly ready to be a professional trader, in the sense that you will get to know everything that you need to know, and then now you only have to execute. Okay. So now, introductory session is this induction session, which is currently happening. Then you'll have a doubts and Q&A. Then you'll be introduced to trade setups. Then I'll be having a trade breakdown session. You will be given your trading plan and rules. You will be introduced how to journal your trades. Then you'll have a trade management session, a pattern recognition session. There's something called a VWAP, which is a volume weighted average price. It's an indicator which we use as an anchor. We don't use it as a means to take any decisions, but we use it as an anchor. You will be introduced about that. Advanced trading setups is something that going into the, as you learn more, as you execute more, as you practice more, you learn more stuff. and that's how you will be introduced to advanced trading setups, which are more highly probable, but there are some things that you need to consider. Then you'll be worked on a trading psychology. So trading psychology is something that will be worked upon throughout the entire program duration of the mentorship. Then you'll be introduced to commodities, how to trade them, what are the margin requirements, how do you need to manage your risks, what should be the time frame that you are trading, stuff like that. Then there'll be performance review, there'll be a tape reading session. Tape reading essentially is nothing but the order flow, reading the order flow of how buy and sell orders are going through the exchange, and how can we read that to get a statistical edge over other traders in the market. Then you'll have a watch list creation basic session. Then you'll have an advanced watch list creation session. Then you'll be introduced to futures and options. Advanced futures and options, basically those who want to rental income from your portfolio. So for example, if you're holding say 1,000 shares of HDFC Bank and you need to, you're not planning to sell it, but you can get a rental income from that. You can do some advanced strategies to play out earnings and other important news events that might be coming, for example, elections or RBI's any monetary policy, anything. So that is a more advanced topic, and that you'll get going forward. Then in the last, if you stay till the third month, that is when you're ready with everything, like every tool that you need. And then I'll be sharing proprietary trading setups that are my proprietary setups that I use for my performance, and those I'll share with you. Because you will understand everything, because those are slightly complicated. So basically those are easy stuff, but there are lots of things that you need to know. So once you have a proper understanding of everything, these things will be very easy for you. But to reach here, I think you need to know a lot of stuff. So the whole mentorship program, I'll try to focus on giving you maximum that I can, and then you can maybe learn some of these setups. Okay. And so that is that. So now, before